Most people have an animal phobia, whether it's a fear of sharks due to sensationalist blockbusters or a terror of anything creepy and crawly. But which species are worth being afraid of? You might be surprised by the answer. Ferocious beasts of all sizes and shapes can be lethal. Some actively kill many people, while others are relatively unknown but extremely lethal when in contact. It's one of the many reasons why rights activists and knowledgeable tour guides always advise against touching or interacting with wildlife. In today's video, we are going to show you some of the most dangerous animal species on land. Watch till the end, and here we begin. Cow and snail. These beautiful creatures found in the warm waters of the tropics and instantly recognizable for their highly priced brown and white marbled shells can be seen in shallow depths closer to shore, near coral reefs and rock formations, and beneath sandy shoals. But don't get too close to the 4 to 6 inch long gastropods. Their hidden harpoon-like teeth contain a complex venom called conotoxin, making them one of the most venomous snail species. Only a few people have ever been stung. Unfortunately, there is no anti-venom because the toxin prevents nerve cells from communicating with one another. The creature not only causes paralysis in seconds but also gives you just enough time to smoke a cigarette before dying, earning it the nickname cigarette snail. Cape buffalo. When left alone, Cape buffalo are a relatively mild species, preferring to travel in massive herds as they graze in the early morning and late afternoon hours or gather around watering holes. If a person is threatened or injured, they become the embodiment of their nickname, Black Death. These behemoths, which can grow to nearly 6 feet tall and weigh close to a ton, circle and stalk their prey before charging at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour and are said to have killed more hunters on the African continent than any other creature. They have been known to continue charging even when injured and to attack moving vehicles. Indian saw-scaled viper. While many snake species have enough venom to kill a human, not all of them are multifaceted as the Indian saw-scaled viper. These reptiles, also known as the little Indian viper or the saw-scaled viper, live in some of the most densely populated areas of the region, extending far beyond India. They stay hidden, however, by using natural camouflage to blend into their surroundings. Because they are most active at night, it is best to listen for their sizzling defensive sound, which is caused by stridulation, a behavior in which the snake forms coils and rubs its scales together, even when given a warning. Saw-scaled vipers are extremely aggressive, delivering more than twice the lethal dose in each bite. Indian red scorpion. Scorpions in general are not something you might be fond of. However, the Indian red scorpion, also known as the Eastern Indian scorpion, is a scorpion species of the family Buthidae. It occurs in most of India, eastern Pakistan, and the eastern lowlands of Nepal, and recently in Sri Lanka. A person who gets stung by red scorpion can die if not treated. These scorpions are known to carry a potent neurotoxin containing a mix of salts, small molecules, peptides, and proteins. In addition, its venom contains neurotoxins that can be especially deadly to children since their bodies are small. The deadly neurotoxin works quickly to block potassium channels in the body, causing rhythmic fluctuations in blood pressure and cardiovascular collapse. Left untreated, an Indian red scorpion sting can lead to pulmonary edema, causing death in less than 72 hours. Brazilian wandering spider. If the size of this spider, which can grow to be 5 to 7 inches long, isn't enough to cause a heart attack, its highly venomous bite will. Many spiders have toxic fangs but are not known to bite humans. The Brazilian wandering spider, however, is not one of these. Worse, this spider frequently lives up to its name by wandering into densely populated areas in search of shelter in dark, cozy places such as the inside of shoes, clothes, log piles, cars, and other places where people may stick their hands. Human death can occur within 2 to 6 hours of a bite, usually due to lung failure, though fever, vomiting, and paralysis can also occur. Komodo dragons. Komodo dragons are the world's largest lizards, reaching lengths of 10 feet and weighing up to 150 pounds. Komodo dragons have become somewhat of a tourist attraction in Indonesia in recent years. The Komodo National Park welcomes visitors to see this massive lizard in its natural habitat. However, these prehistoric beasts appear to be as vicious as they are. Komodo dragons have killed 4 people in the last 33 years. The most recent fatal attack took place in 2009. Komodo dragons have venomous bites that deliver toxins that inhibit blood clotting. The bite trauma bacteria from the Komodo dragon's mouth and rapid blood loss all contribute to their ability to kill prey, humans included. Elephants. Elephants are typically thought of as intelligent, friendly creatures, and they have been long of a staple of circus performances. They perform so well due to their intelligence, complex emotions, and social structures, but their status as the largest land animal means they have enormous weight and the power that comes with it. Elephants in captivity can be angry and retaliatory, while wild elephants can be territorial and protective of their family members. An estimated 500 people are killed each year during elephant encounters by being trampled, thrown, crushed, or other similarly unpleasant means. Wolves. Man's best friend is also one of our most dangerous enemies. Each year, dog attacks kill 30 to 50 people in the United States alone. Many of these maulings were caused by a single dog, often a family dog or a neighbor's dog. Other killings were committed by feral dog packs. Directly fatal dog and wolf encounters are extremely rare when compared to the number of deaths caused by canine rabies infections. We are several hundred years removed from when wolf packs actively hunted humans in India, causing over 200 deaths per year in the 18th and 19th centuries. But the rabies virus causes 40,000 to 50,000 deaths yearly. Crocodiles. The crocodile is the next apex predator on our list of the world's deadliest animals. The crocodile is one of the world's largest, most aggressive, and most dangerous animals, killing between 1,000 to 5,000 people each year. Crocodiles, which can reach speeds of up to 25 mph and weigh over 2,000 pounds, have incredible bite strength. Crocodiles are the only animal on this list that actively hunts and consumes humans. The deadliest species is the Nile crocodile, which lives in the Nile River's tributaries and was so feared by ancient Egyptians that they carried crocodile god tokens to protect themselves from the reptiles. Hippopotamus. Hippos may appear huge, bumbling creatures, but they are often considered Africa's most dangerous mammal. They are territorial, unpredictable, and armed with sharp, lethal, damaging teeth. They will aggressively defend their territory if their territory is violated, whether by a crocodile, another hippo, or a boat full of tourists. Hippos attack with canine teeth nearly 2 feet long and 2,000 pounds per square inch of pressure. As if that weren't enough, hippos sweat a red liquid that resembles blood, securing their title as the most metal animal on the planet. Golden poison dart frog. Poison darts are a large and diverse group of brightly colored frogs, with only few species posing a serious threat to humans. The most lethal, the golden poison dart lives in a small area of rainforests along Colombia's Pacific coast and can grow to be 2 inches long. Its poison batrachotoxin is so potent that one frog contains enough to kill 10 grown men with only 2 micrograms, roughly the size of the head of a pin, capable of killing a single person. But what makes the amphibian particularly dangerous is that its poison glands are located beneath its skin, making even a light touch dangerous. What do you think of these animal species? Let us know in the comments below.